Everyone dreams of success, but most people fail not because success is impossible. They fail because they think big results need big actions. They wait for the perfect day, the perfect plan, the perfect opportunity. And while waiting, their dreams fade away. But what if success was not about giant leaps, but small steps? What if just 1% improvement daily could change your entire life? Let me tell you the story of a boy named Ahmed. Ahmed was an ordinary student, average in everything. Every time he compared himself with others, he felt small. He tried many times to change overnight, but always failed. He studied hard for a week, then gave up. He joined the gym but quit in 10 days. He tried to wake up early, but failed within 3 days. Slowly, he started believing he was destined to stay average. One day, he saw his grandfather polishing an old wooden chair. Surprised, he asked, "Why waste hours polishing this old chair?" His grandfather smiled and said, "These tiny strokes add shine. Slowly, with patience, the chair will glow again. Life is the same, my child. One stroke at a time brings change." Ahmed decided to apply this wisdom, the 1% rule. He started with 15 minutes of study, adding just 5 minutes daily. He began with 5 push-ups, adding 1 more every day. He learned 5 new words of English daily. At first, nobody noticed the change. Even he doubted it. But after 1 month, his 15 minutes became 2 hours, his 5 push-ups became 50, and his vocabulary grew by 150 words. His confidence started to shine, his classmates noticed. One day, Ahmed won first place in a school debate competition. When asked how he changed, he simply said, 1% better every day. And remember, greatness is not built in a day, but daily 1% at a time.
Please like and subscribe my channel to learn English with easy methods.